So since my last print, I've had to make a lot of adjustments. After I made the soap dish, I wasn't able to get anything else to print very well. So I added things like whenever it crosses over a perimeter, it will lift the Z-axis a little bit, and I added some cardboard. I think my thickness was a little off, or my calibration was a little weird in the middle versus the sides, and I was also having an issue with my nozzle. I would get filament oozing out of the red sleeve there, which was not good. Well, I kept on cleaning out the hot tip and hoping that would fix it, and it wouldn't. I wasn't looking too closely at the fact that I needed to put Teflon tape back on the threads. So if you have that oozing, you need to put Teflon tape back on there. See how this print goes. Everything's printing really good. So you can see on some of the bumpy areas, my Z-axis is making a lot of adjustments, and it doesn't seem to be causing a problem. Everything's really sharp and clean for some reason, except for the eye. Of course, you can't see because it's out of focus. But nothing a little cleanup won't fix. Everything's nice and flat, and that's without the fan running. So I'm pretty happy with that. So it's a pretty uneventful print. So I'll show you some finished pictures after this.